Want to make your website's rating more interactive and engaging? Check out the Rating Badge widget from WDesignKit's Pro plan. This widget doesn't just display ratings, it adds user profile icons, tooltips and extra details to make ratings feel more personal and informative. So, whether you want to showcase product reviews, service feedbacks or content ratings, this widget will give your users a clear and visually appealing way to share their thoughts. Now, without any further ado, let's dive in and explore how you can set it up onto your WordPress site. The widget we will be using here is offered by WDesignKit. Speaking in terms of figures, it includes over 2000 pre-designed templates and 100 plus pre-built widgets for Elementor, Gutenberg and Bricks, along with a cloud workspace and much more. We will discuss about more of its features in detail soon, so make sure you watch this video till the very end. Now, let's start with the tutorial. Make sure you have installed Elementor. And we will also need WDesignKit, so come up here and click Add New Plugin. Then search for it. And here it is, WDesignKit. Simply click on Install Now. Then Activate. Moving ahead to Appearance. And here, as you can notice, I'm using Nexter theme. However, feel free to use any other theme as per your preference. Now, in order to use this plugin, we will need to make an account with WDesignKit. Simply come here and click on WDesignKit. Next, up here in the header section, click on Login. At the bottom here, it's written Don't have an account. Click Sign Up. Now this web page will open up where it's visible that you can sign up with your socials, or here after you fill all the details mentioned, simply click on this button. I already have an account, so I'll simply click Sign In. And then I will click on Continue with Google. Once you're logged in, you will see this kind of interface. It's time to activate our widget, so simply come up here in the header section and click on Browse Widgets. Now search Rating. Here it is, Rating Badge for Elementor. Now, as you can notice, it's a Pro widget. That means if you want to download and make use of it, we will have to upgrade this WDesignKit plugin to its Pro version. Now, let me guide you how to do it step by step. First, simply go back to the plugin section and click on Upgrade Pro. Then here on clicking this WDesignKit logo, its pricing page will open up. Now, once you have reviewed all the plan's details and benefits, select the plan that suits your professional needs. After you've made a purchase, you will get the options to download the plugin as well as copy the Pro key from the checkout page only. In case you have skipped it, you can also get it from Posimith Store's dashboard. Simply head on to store.posimith.com/dashboard, and here it is, our Pro WDesignKit's activation key. Now it's time to activate the upgraded version, so let's revert to the WDesignKit's website. Scroll up a bit, then hover over your PFP. Then go to Manage License and simply paste your key in this input field. That's done. Your subscription is now successfully activated. Okay. Let's get back to the WordPress backend and download the star widget of today's tutorial, that is Rating Badge, by simply clicking on this download icon. Now, let's also make sure it's downloaded by going into the My Widget section. Perfect. So, here we are inside the Elementor editor. And as you can see, I've got a basic page design set up in which I have already imported the widget. If you want to do the same, simply head to the widgets panel, search for rating and drag and drop it into the workspace. Set. Next, I'll just select the widget from the navigator, and under the content tab in here, you will get to see its customization options. Now, let's go through each of them one by one. Upon opening the content section, we can see there are three key options that are Select Items, Reviews Image, and Select Title. Through Select Items, you can add multiple character images along with their names. Select an image from your media gallery, click Select, and finally add that person's name simply by making use of this tooltip option. I'll call this man Simon Johnson, and now as visible, you can already see how our character will appear. Moving ahead, additionally, let me also introduce you with this inner icon option, using which within the tooltip, you will be able to add an icon along with a text of your choice. For the time being, I'm gonna keep this toggle off only as I don't need it at the moment. Moving ahead, right now, don't you think our Simon is looking a bit lonely? So, just to give him a little company, let's add more members by clicking on this Add Item button. Okay, now after we have added all our characters, it's time to add reviews. For that, the reviews image option here will let you upload a custom made static image to display your product's rating. I have a 5-star rating image ready with me, so I'll select it from the media gallery, click insert, and that is done. See instantly how much more impactful and trustworthy our website is looking at this time. Alright, now let's take it a step further with the select title option, which lets you add a text below our review image. For example, as I type 10,000 plus pets rescued, you can see it appear right here under this rating badge. That's done as well. Now, in case you want to highlight additional key points, just click on add item to showcase multiple text lines. I'm fast forwarding this part and that is done as well. Right now, as you can see, I've added 4 more titles here and they are smoothly rotating on interaction. That is so cool. This means that the users too, on hovering over the rating and the title text like this, they're surely gonna get the same dynamic experience which will leave them mesmerized. Now that we have explored all the major customization options and our rating badge is now all ready to go live, there is only one thing for me to do. Quickly move ahead, click on update and move forward to check out our final result. Now don't forget to explore other amazing features WDesignKit offers. It provides various design assets and resources to create amazing WordPress websites in a matter of minutes. With its 2000 plus page templates, sections and kits, you can import pre-made WordPress websites. It comes with its own Power Widget builder, using which you can convert any custom code to Elementor widget, blocks or bricks elements. And not only that, as we shared earlier, it has its own 100 plus growing collection of pre-made widgets for Elementor, Gutenberg and bricks. Using WDesignKit Page Builder Converter, you can convert your Elementor widget to Gutenberg blocks and even bricks elements. Amazing, right? Lastly, for all the Power WordPress users who create multiple websites, WDesignKit also comes with its Cloud Workspace, where you can store your created widgets and page sections on the cloud and import on any other website, as well as collaborate with your team members. To be honest, you can say me delusional, but WDesignKit is the tool which can increase your productivity by 100%. It comes with both free and pro plan. You can check all the details from this pricing page and choose the plan which suits your need. So that was it. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Now, if you are curious and want to explore more, check out our exclusive WDesignKit playlist that is packed with tutorials on super creative widgets like this, which will not only enhance your website's design, but also will give you fresh ideas to make your WordPress site stand out. Also, before you go anywhere, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel with the bell icon turned on so you never miss out on the amazing videos that we keep adding into the playlist I just mentioned every week. I will see you in the next one. Until then, keep learning and stay creative.